Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to block apps with Windows Firewall. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So the first thing you should do here is to go to your start menu and then look for Firewall and a network protection. Here, what you're going to do next is you have to go to advanced settings. So you have to scroll in here and look for advanced settings. Now tap advanced settings. Here you will see inbound rules and outbound rules. So let's start with inbound rules. So the inbound rules in Windows Defender Firewall control what traffic is allowed into your computer from other devices or network. What you got to do here is you have to set a new rule. You have to click this new rule right here. Now you have to select if it's program. So basically we will click program, tap on next, and then locate that specific file location, tap on browse. So let's just say you wanted to block any program or anything that is from this specific application or specific network. Let's just say this one right here, which is ES responder. Click this one. And then after that, tap on next. Here you have to select this block the connection and then tap on next. And then here, what you're going to do is again tap on the next button. So this only means that by default, Windows block most incoming traffic unless an app or service specifically needs it. So inbound rules let you open ports for games or servers, allow access to network apps, improve security by blocking suspicious services. Don't worry, you can disable or delete this rule. Now let's move on to blocking for outbound rules. So outbound rules control what network traffic your computer is allowed to send out to the internet or other device. Outbound traffic going out from your computer. It's the same thing. You have to click new rule right here. Tap on and then program. Tap on next. Locate that file. Let's just say it's the same thing. Tap on next. And then here you have to click this block connection right here. Tap on next again. Tap on next. You can add a name description, but this one is optional. So basically, by creating this inbound and outbound rule, you can simply block an application here with Windows Firewall. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.